Yes, I have some work to do. Hey, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, so above the desk, everything looks great, and usually that's my perspective. Then the other day I was under the desk plugging something in, I'm like, man, this is a mess. This is a mess, I gotta clean this up. I've procrastinated, I've really delayed getting some kind of cable management system. So I looked online, took a quick look, and I found something. I just wanted to try something, plug it all in, and see if I can clean up this mess. It's called this. I'm not even sure I'm gonna say it right. Yeki. Let's just call it the Yeki. It's the Yeki system, and it's a super simple installation. We're gonna go through it. So let's start off. We'll take a look at what you get inside the package, all the pieces you get, and then you can decide if this is something you need for your setup. Do you have a messy setup that you need to clean up? That's always the question that nobody asks because nobody's really paying attention. All right, let's get going. Let's clean up this mess. Here's my setup. Here's what we're dealing with, and let's take a look. So they're saying wipe down the desk or wall surface. Don't use it on textured surface. I'm not doing that. So then you're gonna apply some sticky tape, and then cannot be used to extend hardwired permanent electrical wiring. Yeah, that's a good tip because I don't know why you'd think that. Wait 24 hours to ensure strong adhesion. I don't think I'm going to be doing that. I'm not a 24-hour news station. I can't wait 24 hours. I don't know what that means. Do it if you want, but first thing we got to do is unplug everything, power it off. There we go. Killed the Mac Mini. Now let's take everything out. Get your wires out of the way. Make this a little bit easier for yourself, and try to do the best job you can with the least amount of work. That's always the point, right? Man, what a mess. Okay, here we go. Let's clean this. Let's clean this up. Just taking a look here to make sure I got a spot that I want to use. I was looking at the back of the desk there and I thought, oh, that's a good spot. And then on the other side though, there's some mounting brackets that get in the way. So yeah, they would make it not work. So I'm putting it kind of in the middle, and that's going to be the ideal spot. So just taking out the tape here. It's double-sided sticky tape, and you're going to put on three strips per channel. These are called cable management channels, and just going to do that here quickly. Man, I'm fast. I don't know how I do it so fast. I don't remember being that fast when I did it, but anyways, take the tape off, and then you're gonna, sometimes these pieces of tape are hard to get off if you don't have sharp nails. Okay, pull it off. We're gonna apply it, hold it up, and try to give pressure to all the spots. And they say wait 24 hours. You can do that if you want. I think I waited 2 hours because I don't want to wait 24 hours. So if it falls down tomorrow, I'll let you know. No, I won't, because I'm not going to do a follow-up. But okay, here we go. So we got them applied, they're mounted. Now it's time to clean it up. Okay, this is the before. It's not super exciting to watch somebody route cables, but here we go. Here's the after. I think it's quite the improvement. Still not perfect. I can probably do some minor adjustments, but I'm not going to see this anymore. And the main idea is the cables are off the floor, and it's going to be nice and clean. And there we go. That looks a lot better, in my opinion. And look at that, the computer turned on. So here's one more before and after. There you go. And there we go. You got to see the whole setup. You got to see it. You got to see the cleanup. You got to see going from pretty ugly to just pretty, hopefully. Hopefully this worked out really well. Again, if you're interested in getting it, take a look in the description. I have an affiliate link to it. If it's still available, if not, just go look online. Find some cable management system and have fun. Have fun cleaning up your horrible cable mess below your desk. All right, that's it. Take care.